go to the another topic, that is the democracy in contemporary world. The democracy in the contemporary world. So, what do you mean by democracy? What do you mean by democracy? I have written here, democracy is, that is one of the form of government. Democracy is one of the form of government. And what is democracy? The definition is given by the Abraham Lincoln. It is for the people, of the people, by the people. Democracy is for the people, of the people, and by the people. Means in democratic country, people are choosing the rulers, and the rulers are forming the government, and they are ruling the government. And every year, every 5 years, you can see that countries are having in different time, and they are having the election, and during that election people are choosing their rulers, and those rulers are elected by the people, and they are ruling the country. And another one, what do you mean by this contemporary world? As I have written here, that is the circumstance and idea of the present tense. Means in this present age, we can see that how the democracy is. And under that we can see that today the democracy in Chile. The democracy in Chile. Chile is one of the country, and it is belong to the South America. It is belong to the South America. And this one we will see today. Let us, before going to see this Chile, let me say you something. In democracy, we can see that nowadays it is not run smoothly or not run straight. And this democratic system is always in different countries. You can see that is up and down. And still now, this democratic system is remaining same. And as I said you today, we will be going through this democratic system that was in the country of South America. And we can see that this Chile is a country of South America. And there was a leader who was chosen. We can see that his name was Salvador Allende, and he belongs to the one of the socialist party, and he was elected in 1970 as a president in South America. And when he was elected as a president in South America, and he has changed some of the principles in his country. What are the principles he has changed? If we are going through the chapter, we can see that to help the poor and workers, and he tried to bring the reform in the education system. He tried to bring the reform in the education system. And he has also tried to give a free milk for the children, and redistribution of the landless farmers. Those farmers are not having land to provide them. And not only that one, there are raw materials in that country, and other countries, they were coming and they were taking raw materials from their countries. It means, last things we can see that he was also adopted the principle to oppose the foreign countries not to take the raw materials from their country. Means these are some of the principles when he was seated as a president, he was adopted. In the political, you know that one. Whenever maybe leaders are trying to change something, opposition will be there. And those are belongs to the landlords, and those are belongs to the rich, and those are belongs to the other political parties, church, and they have opposed this Sabalders Allende's the policies during his presidency. And because of that, this was overthrown on 11 September 1973. This rule was overthrown on 11 September 1973. And you can see that there was a general and his name was Augustus Pinochet. And he was one of the general and he was leading the military. So when other parties and landlords and riches on the other way they were opposing to this President Salvador Allende, on the other side this General Augustus Pinochet, he has arrested the one of the officer, that is defense officer, and after that he was said to the president, this Salvador Allende, to give the resignation as well as to leave the country. But this president did not listen. He was rebuked. He was not done that one. That's what happened. On his office, when he was there at his home, he was thrown the bomb on his house and he was killed at that time. And when this Salvador Allende was killed, and this General Augustus Pinochet, he set to rule the country, and he was leading the country, means he was ruling the country around 17 years. And when he was ruling the country, we can see that there was a presidency rule was there, and slowly the presidency rule was turned into the military dictatorship. And this Pinochet, after 17 years, he was thinking that I will be in power and people will be choosing me to sit and to continue to rule this country. But in 1988, people say no to him. And we can see that the military dictatorship was ended. And slowly we can see that the army role was in the country has been declined, means eliminated. And again the democracy was restored. From this story of this Chile, the country of South America, what I wanted to say is that we can see that there was a democratic system, but how it fell into a military dictatorship and how it was restored again in 1998 onward. We have seen this one. So go through these tales from this book and it will be clear to you and you will be understanding. And next class we will be discussing in another tale that belongs to the Poland. Thank you for watching. Thank you. We will meet you next video.